guys, welcome back to my channel. So मैं इस वीकेंड आ गई हूँ उदयपुर। यहाँ पे भी मॉनसून्स चल रहे हैं, शोल्डर सीजन है। So I thought, why not explore the city of lakes and sunsets and palaces? And I thought, why not take you guys along? So सबसे पहले आज की वीडियो में I'll show you around the place I'm living at. So मैं आई हूँ stay करने in Radisson Udaipur. So this is located in the Ashoka Road area. ये काफ़ी close है to a lot of places जो हम देखने वाले हैं और मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे डील पे मिला था ये. I booked it on makemytrip.com. So सबसे पहले I think room tour दिखाती हूँ and then I'll also show you around the property, the features and also इसका मैंने ये जो stay book किया है ये मैंने inclusive of breakfast book किया है. So I'll show you around the breakfast spread as well and what the view looks like from the hotel. So come along. So room tour start करते हैं. So as you enter the room, you have your basic luggage रखने के लिए area and there's a huge mirror and that's me. Hi. उसके बाद you have your coffee station, tea station, you have your kettle, you have your mugs here, you have your teas, coffees, milk powders, sugars, all the basic stuff. आगे बढ़ते हुए you have your TV here and some more space to keep your luggage, to keep your stuff. और उसके बाद let me show you the bed, the spacious bed. So I booked the superior room and उसमें I got this double bed and I'm liking the space, the spacious bed it has, the interiors. It's pretty nice. The lighting is pretty nice as well. उसके आगे there's also this separate seating area which is great, if you want to just chill, relax, sip tea, read a book or stuff. And उसके बाद moving on, there's also this pretty nice cute work desk which is really handy, if you want to do some work and finish off some tasks. And मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी was the interiors have a lot of paintings here and there which adds a lot of color to the room. उसके बाद I think एक चीज़ जो और की है that is the outdoors. So ये लेक साइड व्यू तो नहीं है इस होटल का, but still I think you still get a pretty solid view. So आपको यहाँ से, since it is located quite in the center part of the city, so you see a lot of that mountain view. And ये बिल्कुल ही, अगर आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट बताऊँ तो यहाँ ये एक मॉल जो लेक सिटी मॉल है उसी के बिल्कुल ही एडजेसेंट लोकेटेड है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट इन इट सेल्फ. अगर आपको कुछ भी शॉपिंग करनी है, कुछ भी लंच और डिनर करना है, सो दैट इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट. द लोकेशन इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट इन द सेंटर पार्ट ऑफ द सिटी.
Started as a whisper, message from a new